Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video at Moorhead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell. It is a beautiful day again today on the homestead, isn't it?
Yeah.
Kids have been outside. It's Sunday afternoon. Got my sister coming over for our last Christmas of the year, although it's New Year's. I'm not sure how you would say that, but anyways, so we're gonna come out here, let the chickens out, run around and play. We're just gonna hang out and take care of the animals and see what happens. Really nothing significant planned today.
And, well, yeah, me and Hunter are gonna do a dance.
Whoa, what? Let's see it.
I don't have Hunter right here.
There he is.
Hunter, we're doing the dance. Dance.
Come on, Hunter, let's do your dance. Drop the bat, let's do the dance.
Drop the bat and do the dance.
Get out there. All right, let's see this dance.
1, 2. Hurry up. Easy. No.
Ready, go.
Easy. No.
Count to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All you gotta do is move your legs and your hands. I'm the real pug man. Watch me do my dance. Watch it. I'm a whip and dab. Pipe it up and stab. I don't know you like that. I don't know the last part.
Hunter, what's the last part?
Everybody does
that dab
different
again.
dances. Huh?
What's that dab again?
Yeah.
What did you guys think of that dance? That was different, right? Hey, scoot away from the house a little bit.
Okay.
I'm gonna video you and see if you can hit under pressure.
Okay, I want to do it too.
So I don't gotta sit here and tossing balls all the time. I said you gotta learn to throw the ball up and hit it yourself. So let's see if you can. Wow, that was actually a good one.
That's my lucky ball.
That's your lucky ball? See
The
if
brown
you,
one's
see if you can
always
get 2 in a row. I doubt it. Ha ha. Hey, swing, you're throwing it too high. That's the Hunter I know.
That's the Hunter I know. That too. Other than the other one. But the other one was better.
Toss it a little bit farther off.
Might want to move.
Gotta hit the sweet spot. There we go. Right up the middle.
But on drive. And then it curves.
Boom.
Another line drive. And it hit the log. To the side a
Too
little.
high, hit it off the end of the bat, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, yeah, don't swing at that. Bad pitch. There we go. Oh, that was the one.
I'm doing it after this. Oh, that was really good.
That was a good hit.
Best hit yet. I don't really want to hit that ball because I don't want to go way out there and get the balls.
Oh, you can't hit farther than that. Don't worry about it. Too close to you. Jammed yourself, man. You jammed yourself. There we go. Oh. Is that funny? Hey, remember, you're next, remember?
Yeah. I don't really need to laugh.
There we go, right up the middle.
Don't use all the balls in the bucket.
So you pick all those up, right?
No.
Yep.
Use all the balls.
Last one, Hunter. Way to finish. All right.
Okay,
Sis?
I'm bad at tossing up.
Sis was laughing. Let's see what she does here.
Shouldn't have laughed at him.
I know, that's what I Look at all those balls. I never hit one.
Hey, watch out. She's got a bat. Scoot that way. Scoot that way, Lori. There we go.
She has a bat.
Hey. Hallie. Hold the bat on your shoulder. And then toss it up and swing.
I haven't played baseball in a long time.
Here we go.
Excuses,
Here we go.
excuses.
Hey!
Here we go.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Not even close to mine. That was the best hit yet.
It was your only hit. Whoa!
Game and pitch.
Whoa, too far away.
You can't.
Mama, what are you doing over here?
It's a mess around here.
It is. There's leaves everywhere.
And I'm tired of them blowing on the porch, so getting rid of them.
That's true. Alright, sis, I want you guys go let the chickens out and gather the eggs.
I hit one.
It hits you, I think. Alright, last one. Throw it. There we go. There we go.
No, that's mine.
That has some pop to it. You like doing a ballerina skit or what?
Yeah.
Hunter, get back, dude. Mama, you better watch
Thor.
out. She's dangerous.
Here we go. Go plastic. Ow.
It's got water in there.
Keep on going.
Just kidding. Oh, guys. A baseball. I bet it's not the last one I find. Goodness, let go of me.
Before we do this today, 'cause I really wanted this done this week. It's perfect way to do it.
This is the first day to do it. Mainly because I gotta work the rest of the
But
week.
there's people coming over in a couple hours, so how is it the perfect day?
Family.
Nobody saw that, right?
Yeah, I saw it. You missed it, didn't you?
Oh. They made to make ones easier for us to light. Almost.
Hold it in there.
Bullet catch on fire.
Alright.
Told you. Easy. It went out. No.
The wind should keep it burning.
Oh, we got some. If it'll all work. No, can I throw sticks in the fire? Mama? Yeah.
Smoky. I'm fishing for bugs. Turtles. That's all I do.
Well, one storm system has already moved through. There's water puddles everywhere. We got some more coming, and it's supposed to be some tornado warnings today. So we're gonna go get the chickens put up and make sure everything's anchored down out here, because there's probably gonna be some heavy winds, which stinks because I'm finally getting most of that wood cut up, as you guys saw in our last video, with that little saw. Whoa. What are you bringing a football out here for? Don't need a football in the chicken pen. We got work to do. You can see them all coming up here to us. Oh, hey, I'm going to open the gate.
Okay.
And you know how to walk them around, right?
We're kind of crazy. They're already coming, Daddy.
Are they already coming? Don't run. Walk those in. Get most of them coming, and then the rest of them will follow. It's all right. Woo, ladies. Woo, ladies. All right, now go back around them. Hey, no, just go around that tree. Get behind that rooster. There we go. Don't walk fast. Still need a name for that guy. If you guys got a name, drop it in the comments below. Let us know. Oh, oh, oh.
That one got a worm.
It's got a worm in his mouth?
Something.
Something? It does, doesn't it? Them worms will come out when it rains like this. Is that all?
That was easy.
That was easy, wasn't it?
I could have done that with the football.
Oh, let's see if there's any eggs.
Oh yeah, remember because we got the eggs
No.
we let them out?
Yeah, there's no eggs because there was no chickens in here, right?
And
we
we
forgot
lost
to
some.
put them in last
And
night.
we lost some because Sissy left the bucket and had to crack the eggs.
Yeah. So what Hunter's talking about, Hallie gathered eggs yesterday and she was in a hurry to leave to go to her cousin's, so she set the bucket inside the door, and we're sitting there last night and we hear this noise and we're like, what is that? And
We looked behind the couch.
we
and
looked
grabbed
down
it out.
and Huddy was sitting there with the bucket of eggs and throwing them down on the floor behind the couch. So yeah, we had a mess to clean up.
And then he knocked the what's that called? The I don't know what it's called.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Remember where the water spilled on the floor?
Oh, the
Humiliator.
humidifier. Dehumidifier, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he knocked that out. He was a tyrant last night, wasn't he?
It was funny this morning. Grabbing everybody's things.
Let's see.
If there's any eggs.
Let's see if we can find an egg. They had to have laid somewhere, right?
Daddy.
You're right. It's a pretty good guess to start looking, ain't it?
I don't see any. Maybe they covered it up.
Could have. I doubt it, but.
I'm a dog.
Alright, hey, don't get all that down in your shoes. Alright, ready?
I thought, ow.
Alright, well, was able to get some of that flower beds and stuff cleaned out as you saw earlier in the video. Got it burned. Now it's raining. So we're going to bunker down for the rest of the... Oh, whoa, that was close.
What was?
I about slipped and fell. Basketball practice got canceled because of the storms rolling through. So we're kind of free tonight. It's weird. Like, what's a free night? It stinks that we have a free night and it's going to storm, so we can't do anything. But nevertheless, we may go live tonight. I don't know. What? Can you do a flip with the football in your hand and land it?
No, land it, but could probably do a flip.
Let's see it.
I am lit. Oh no. No. One hand round off.
You can land it.
One hand round off.
All right, one hand round off. Oh, you gotta land it, bro.
I can do it round off though.
Backflip.
I can do a backflip. Too hard. I'm gonna try to though.
That's not.
Guys, like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and ring that bell.
Whoa. So like I said, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel at Morehead Homestead, please subscribe, like, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time. God bless.